The great grey owl. The woodland's ultimate acoustic hunter. Her hearing is even sharper than the fox's, thanks largely to the unique shape of her face. Her giant facial disc, the biggest of any owl, acts like a satellite dish, collecting and amplifying every tiny sound. It's a super sense so powerful, she can hear a vole beneath the snow from 150 feet away. She's also the perfect stealth assassin. Special serrated feathers on her wings allow her to approach in complete silence, constantly tracking her prey's position just through sound. Only when she's locked on will she strike. Thanks to their incredible hearing, 65% of great grey owl hunts end in a meal.